What is going on, guys? It is Monday at the shop. We're getting the week started off right. We got a lot of stuff going on. We sold a ton of frames. Frames are in stock for right now. I think we have maybe 20 more spots on the frames. It's gonna be a good video, so sit back, relax, and enjoy.
It just looks like a shining star in there. I don't even know. That's not what that's gonna look like. That's a pre-coat for the dirty magic. Purple. I really like it the way it looks.
Yeah, Dan. I'd say
What is that?
Lily bar. That's fractured cherry with. Guys, would you back off these freaking wheelie bars? God. One day we'll bring back that first build. So this is a shout out to Pit Viper. They sent us this whole box of stuff for free just because we're doing good things, and so we wanted to thank them. So we got some, these are all these hoodies. Cold water, we don't. Then you get to some gold.
Boom!
You guys have a great day. Dude.
Thanks, you too.
So, then if you want to look in here, Russell. 2000s. These Americas. They're those sweet where they are clear, but they got that little bit of tint almost. Look how rad those are. Woo!
What are those?
So, those are Grand Prix, man. You got them in green and you got them in teal. Shoo. All you gotta do, kids, just start your own business. Work like 20 hours a day, and eventually after like 20 years, people start sending you free stuff. There's your, there you go. For that big bulbous head of yours, Benji. I think those are them after I play it all up, but I'm pretty sure those are the transition ones, aren't they? These demand respect and authority. Oh yeah. Are those the ones that I mean, here, if I just go over here and consult my list, I can tell you it's a slip, but it's virtual. The boom slide fade, I don't know. Which ones am I taking out west? Well, it's still hard to say.
Man, we got a lot of those.
I'm a big 2000s guy.
Oh, 2000s are definitely
Man,
the best
that's a
ones.
sweet, even just sweet looking package. You don't even get that good of a package when you're ordering from Pit Viper.
Choo! You're really getting a lot of confidence in these stacks.
You seeing these liftoffs? Choo! Sweet in person. Oh man, those look so sweet. Nice. Dude, those look like 10 out of 10 rad.
Oh, I didn't know they were flippers.
Oh yeah, those are lift-off. Those go up any higher? Oh, okay, sweet. Yeah, those look those look freaking sweet. No, I feel like I'm for real though, those fit your face really well. I didn't know how those would look in person, but those look really cool. I'm telling you, man. And there's a lot. I feel like these all look like
fireworks. Yeah.
Oh, I was just gonna say, let's check these out. I don't even know what these are, but it doesn't matter. I'm like really digging those glasses. I didn't know if you put them on and in the size of your head and face and stuff, it actually looks really proportionate.
It really threw me off because like look how small the case is.
Yeah.
Like I go, man, those are tiny, but they're good.
Yeah, they look sweet. Safety first. Oh, they come in a hard case too. Oh, that's the cat's pajamas there, folks. For us, it's okay. Now those are, look at that swanky nose piece. Those are perfectly clear. Now I'm just wondering if I go outside with these babies. All right, here we go. I think I saw the sun out.
Yeah, it looks like a little bit. Oh yeah, definitely.
Really?
Oh yeah, you're getting that gray like I used to have on my regular glasses.
It's weird because I can't even tell from
Probably
whatever.
slow enough.
I could literally be having one in the chamber and two going all at the same time.
Two on here.
So you're looking to double production.
Well, yeah. No, I agree with that. You just gotta touch them to move them around.
You're always sneaking up on me.
It's the best way to do it. Get the rawest footage that way.
Raw footage.
Raw footage. Scare you.
I want to drop a frame.
Yeah.
That'd be a bad day.
It'll be right there.
Dips down below 70. This guy's got his heated vest on. Full bore.
Slip. butcher's paper.
Drop that thing.
Huh?
Kurt, you see the last episode?
I did.
What do you think?
Oh, it's pretty good. I like this in my mouth. So.
Really?
Yeah, every time, man.
Freaking OG.
I think I might get Kurt on the plasma. Really upgrade him, get him being the plasma man.
We just had the second shift come in. Kurt's gonna be machining some type of part. Caleb's cleaning frames. Should have, I think, maybe 8 frames going out. 8 more frames. So as soon as we can make them, they're flying out the door. Keep them rolling. We don't want to hang on to them too long. Shout out to Grandpa John, and shout out to everybody watching. It's always exciting seeing what we do, and I like to see how many people follow the videos and
Tell them to comment.
kind of check us out.
Tell them to drop comments.
Turn up the comments.
If this video...
Ask us questions. I'm always willing to answer questions. Or I know, Russ, I know you like questions too. So give us something tricky to something we need to explain that we do or you don't understand.
If this video gets 1,000 likes, you'll run around the shop in your underwear or something.
I don't know about that. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll let Russ film me eating something. That's what he likes to do.
That's got to be interesting to people. They've already seen that.
I don't know what I'd do, but it's not going to be anything in my skivvies. So no one wants to see that. I'm just so ripped underneath these clothes that I don't like to take them off. You know.
Watching this. I got the newsletter already rock and roll. It's going to be going out tomorrow. We got frames getting ready to go out tomorrow. They're cleaning them up. Caleb's cleaning them up. Right now, Kurt's at the school of Benji Learning, teaching him how to do the, you really can't see my eyes too much with these vipes on. Teaching Kurt how to do some new stuff on the lathe. We're chugging along. It's a good week. Having a good time.
My new sweatshirt.
Ooh, where can you get those, Mike?
I think you can get them on our website. They're pretty sweet. They're comfy, nice and soft.
Ooh.
The arms are pretty hairy. I mean, these are like the sleeves. They feel like they keep you warm on a brisk Pennsylvania morning, PA morning.
Yeah.
So.
I might have to get on the site and get one. Yeah, really selling me on it.
Yeah, we have a set of 14 fits. So we have 3 wheelie bars.
Okay. Well, I'd like to get one
Kurt just gave me a nice eyebrow raise.
Oh. Yo, what's going on? How's it going?
It's really important.
Oh, it's important, all right. We got the guys some company pit vipers that you already bought.
a couple Americans.
You already bought yours, so pick a set from the pile. You've been doing a good job.
We got green. Oh no, I'm really debating the flip up. So.
Oh yeah, flip-ups are sweet.
I don't know if you're gonna get one fire.
That's what we were going for. Oh,
Really?
I think those are it.
Those are magical, bro.
These might be the one.
Oh, damn.
Well,
Those are
something.
sweet. Let me take a picture.
I can do everything. Yeah.
Here, put them down for a second. I'll take a picture and I'll show you. It's not focusing. What the freak? Am I doing something wrong? I mean, I've been running iPhones since iPhones were a thing.
The sunglasses are too good for you.
It might be turning it all off.
This freaking piece of crap. That's sweet. All right, well,
Don't be putting it on your face.
keep on. My profile picture.
I feel like Santa just giving out gifts.
Safety glasses. Oh, this way, whenever we film, everyone's got pit vipers on.
Yeah. I can pull these things off.
Well, we're gonna find out. You don't have to wear your other ones underneath them.
I know.
Yeah.
How do they feel? How do you feel?
Cooler.
You're looking legit.
Damn!
Sweet. Oh, a little tint to them, man. A little blue shade.
New safety glasses.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
toss these old ones right in the
That's
trash.
what I said.
I
Stomp 'em.
should have. I should have made.
Oh, sure.
What else? There's nice.
Do they
I
make
watched a video of you trying the prescription
Oh,
adapters or whatever
yeah.
for you. Then I watched the one where you sat in the parking lot drifting on them little tricycles or whatever.
he said tricycle.
Tricycle. Those are fighting
Yeah,
words.
that's like bad word around here. Tricycle.
Oh, trike.
Yeah.
Okay.
Still getting brushed up on terminology.
Yeah.
So, you know,
It's like his
get them dialed
second
in.
week.
I was early to the game.
My safety glass back out of the trash can.
It'll make for.
I do like. It was hit by a sweep, but I do like it.
Oh my gosh. What do you think, Josh? You like them? Yeah. Nice.
Right. Yeah. And then I'm gonna probably be cleaning frames or putting some overhead use crap. I'd like to keep on this powder coat until like next week and then get on the freaking build. I'd like to stack them.
Yeah.
I want to fill that all up.
I'd like to do too.
Like I said, I got 4 in the chamber that need clean. What I wanted to do is be pulling this, which I still can, while I have another one sprayed. So if you give me a few seconds, if you shut that camera off, I was gonna surprise you with, you know, pulling one out and putting another one in. Set my handy dandy timer, because I can't keep track of it.
Yep.